I'm going to show you how to add a lock to a Touratech Zega pannier. The locks that come with the panniers by default just have this little slot for a screwdriver. You can also use a penny, but as you can see it's not very secure. Touratech sells an aftermarket lock kit separately, so I'm going to show you how to install this kit without destroying any of these pop rivets so it looks really good after the install. You're going to need safety glasses, a circular file or rasp, and a Dremel tool. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to turn this lock mechanism 90 degrees so that the pop rivet is exposed on the bottom. So while it's in this position, just take a penny, turn it 90 degrees like that, and now you can see both of those pop rivets are exposed. The next step is to put on some safety goggles because you're going to be using a Dremel tool, and that's going to be a high-speed tool, and you want to protect your eyes. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut off these two pop rivets from the inside. You do that because you want to remove this lock mechanism, but you don't want to drill out these, because if you drill these out, it looks very ugly and it's not a very clean install. So I'm going to cut this using a Dremel from behind so I can take this out so it looks good from the front. Now I'm being very careful here not to touch this because it gets really, really hot with the Dremel tool. Plus I'm making sure my fingers are out of the way so I don't hurt myself. Next thing to do is to remove that lock mechanism. I find that a pair of pliers is good for the job. And you just give that a little pull like that. It comes right out. You can see that old lock mechanism. And now you're left with a nice hole here without any damage to the front side. Now the instructions that come with the Touratech lock kit are in German, which isn't very helpful unless you speak German. But what happens is it comes with this template. This template is used to place over the existing lock because the new lock mechanism that comes with it is bigger than that hole. So you're going to put this template on top of there, and it'll tell you exactly how big you're going to cut out this hole. So you line up the two dots right there. The thing is still warm from using the Dremel tool. You line that up so it's nice centered. And now you know exactly how big to cut out this hole so it fits the new lock. The next step is to file out the hole and make it larger using the circular file. A 2x4 works really well to support the hinge while you're doing this. The aluminum is quite soft and is easy to work with. You should have no problem working with the aluminum. In case you're wondering where I got the bumper sticker that's on the side of my pannier, you can go to cafepress.com and type the word cell phone into the search box and you'll find it. The very last step is to insert the lock into the hole that you just enlarged and secure it with a clip that goes down just like that, nice and secure. Once you've done that, you are done. You have successfully installed a lock on your Touratech pannier. 1 down, 3 to go. And that is all there is to it.